How to pay Spotify Premium in 2024. Hey everybody, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to guide you on how you can pay Spotify Premium in 2024, so make sure to watch the video till the end. Now, paying the Spotify Premium is actually quite simple. You just have to make sure to open up your Spotify on your browser. So not from the app. On Android, it is definitely possible to do from the app, but most people might also be watching from iOS. So if you're using iOS or Android, what I would recommend you do is open up your browser, go to spotify.com and log into the account on which you would like to get the premium. Now, after you have done that, you want to tap the gear icon located at the top right hand side of the screen here, and as you have done that, you'll find another option here known as premium. So make sure to tap that little premium button, and when you tap on that premium option, you'll find all of the premium plans that are available for you to choose from. Depending on what is comfortable for you, just tap on the get premium individual option, and once you have done that, you should be able to simply go to the page where you can enter either your PayPal or credit or debit card. So you can just go ahead and then select either of those options, and then you'll be able to go ahead and enter the payment details and tap the buy option to get the premium. This way you can pay Spotify Premium. Hope this video was very helpful. If you have got any questions, feel free to leave them down below. Thank you for watching till the end, and see you in the next video.